Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Civic dashboard. First, always disconnect your battery's negative terminal to ensure safety. Next, you'll need to remove the center console and any surrounding trim pieces. Don't forget to carefully detach the A-pillar covers on both the driver and passenger sides. Taking your time with these initial steps will make the rest of the process much smoother and prevent accidental damage. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the electrical components. You'll need to unplug all electrical connectors from various dashboard parts, including the radio and climate controls. Carefully remove the instrument cluster and its wiring harness. Don't forget to detach the glove box and any associated wiring. Labeling these connections can be very helpful for reassembly later, ensuring everything goes back correctly. With the electrical connections handled, it's time to focus on the fasteners. You'll need to locate and remove all dashboard mounting bolts and screws. Be thorough, as some fasteners might be hidden behind vents or other trim panels. Double-check that all clips are disengaged before you attempt to pull the dashboard. Missing even one fastener can cause damage when trying to remove the dash. Finally, with all fasteners and connections removed, you can carefully pull the dashboard away from the firewall. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you with this step to prevent any damage to the dashboard or surrounding components. Remember to store all removed parts and fasteners securely in labeled containers. This will make reinstallation much easier and ensure no pieces are lost.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.